Welcome to Apptopia. Apptopia's online insights tool provides downloads, revenue, and SDK data for every mobile app and every publisher in the world. We cover both the iOS App Store and Google Play, as well as the top 50 countries. Today, I want to walk you through our watch list and competitive intelligence functionality. This is the tool on Apptopia, which allows you to do a detailed comparison between apps. So here we are on the iOS version of GSN Casino. As you can see in the top right corner, we have a Compare Apps box. Now, let's say that you want to compare GSN Casino to its main competitor, Big Fish. You can start to type in the box as I just did, and by clicking on Big Fish Casino, you'll be instantly launched into our watch list and compare apps screen. Here, you can see a detailed line-by-line comparison of how these two apps are performing. You can compare them both with regard to downloads and revenue, and you can even see how they compare in terms of monetization structure. Now, as you scroll down the page, you should note that you can also compare these apps day to day in terms of download and revenue. This is especially interesting as you can visualize days where downloads and revenue did not particularly track together. This watch list is very powerful, and you can quickly build it out on the fly. For instance, let's add some of the other big players in the casino industry. You have Caesars and Double Down Casino, for instance. You'll see that as you start to add these apps, they're immediately added to your list and their data is immediately visualized. As you start to add more apps to your watch list, you'll note that it starts to become a better representation of actual market size, which you can see here at the bottom of your watch list table. Also, you'll note that the graphs below start to get way more interesting. As you can see by just quickly skimming these graphs, download performance is rather consistent for these apps, while revenue is actually a bit more of a dogfight, as you have a few apps fighting for that top spot in terms of daily revenue. One other interesting thing we can do is to actually add the Google Play counterparts for these apps. Then what we can do is we can actually compare how one app is doing in one store versus the other. Let's use GSN Casino as our example. So you'll note that I've unchecked all of the other apps so that I'm only graphing GSN iOS versus GSN Google Play. You'll note that the iOS version of this app has nearly 5 times as many downloads as the Google Play version. Yet, in terms of revenue, they're equal. This is really interesting. And this is the type of analysis that you can do every single day with our watch list functionality. At the top of the page here, you can even give your watch list a name and save it for future reference. Just like that. What is great about this is that it updates every single day, and it's something that you can come back and easily monitor every day or every week. Our tool also provides a lot of additional value with our app and publisher pages, our SDK analysis, and our daily industry reports. Check out our other demo videos to learn what additional value you can get from these features. Thank you so much for your time.